ChatGPT is OpenAI's AI assistant, and you can use it right in your web browser. In this guide, you'll create a free account, explore the interface, and send your very first message. No downloads, no installs. Let's get started.
ChatGPT is an AI assistant that talks with you like a person. You type a question, and it answers with text, search results, images, and file analysis. Everything runs on the official website, chatgpt.com. It is free to start, and there is nothing to install.
The requirements are tiny. You need a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, an internet connection, and an email address. You can also sign in with your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. You must be at least 13 years old. That's it.
Always open the official site, chatgpt.com. In the address bar, type the URL and press enter. The homepage shows login and sign up buttons in the top right corner. Click sign up to create your free account. Never sign up on lookalike websites.
On the sign up page, enter your email address and click continue. Then, create a password with at least 8 characters. Click continue again, and OpenAI sends a verification email to your inbox. No credit card is needed to start.
Prefer a shortcut? Click Continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. You sign in with your existing account, and there's no password to remember. Pick your account, and ChatGPT signs you up automatically.
Check your inbox for the verification email from OpenAI. Open it and click the Verify Email button. Your account is now active. No email yet? Check your spam folder or tap Resend on the sign-up page.
Welcome to the chat interface. On the left, the sidebar holds your chat history and settings. In the middle, you type your message in the composer. At the bottom, the model picker shows your current model, GPT-5.5 Instant, on the free plan. Easy to explore.
Time for the first test. Click the composer, type hello, what can you do, and press enter. ChatGPT thinks for a moment, then streams its answer word by word. If you see a reply, everything works. You're ready to chat.
Try 3 extras. 1. Click New Chat or press Ctrl+Shift+O to start fresh. 2. Tap the globe to search the live web for current answers. 3. Attach a file with the paperclip and ask ChatGPT to describe it. All 3 work on the free plan.
2 issues trip up beginners. If ChatGPT says it's not available in your country, check OpenAI's supported regions list. If the verification email never arrives, check spam, tap Resend, or clear your cookies. Every problem has a quick fix. That's the whole loop. 1. Open chatgpt.com. 2. Sign up with email or your favorite account. 3. Start chatting. ChatGPT is free to start, and Plus adds advanced models and more messages. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy prompting.